Hi, my name is Emily Bryant, and I graduated.
You want to start that over?
What do you want me to say? I'm not Stevens anymore.
I know.
Oh,
but I
because
heard you almost.
Oh, okay, I'll start over.
Go ahead.
Okay, good.
Take two.
Hi, my name is Emily Bryant, and I graduated Faith Farm Ministries Easton Home for Women in Boynton Beach in June of 2012. Faith Farm has meant a life change, a life transformation to me. This is where I met God and got to know Him, and where Christ saved me and redeemed me, and I received His love and grace and mercy. I've been forgiven and I've been set free. What I'm doing about it now is I've had the honor and the privilege of serving at Faith Farm Ministries for the past year and a half as an intern. I've been blessed in so many ways by just giving back to the place that helped me change my whole life. And my message to alumni, students, and family is I love you guys. We are all a family in God's kingdom, and I wish you all the best.